This Outlaw Cat-back exhaust kit is constructed from 409S stainless steel. It's a direct bolt-on without any modifications. So if you're looking for horsepower and torque gains with an aggressive exterior and interior sound level without voiding emissions or voiding your factory warranty, then this system is for you. This system includes all necessary parts and hardware for an easy at-home installation and is covered by Flowmaster's lifetime limited warranty, giving you peace of mind while protecting your investment. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.